Hey guys, I'm Luis from Elementor. I am from Mexico. I'm working as an onboarding and success team leader, and I love what I do. I've been working at Elementor for about 5 years now, and previously I was working at the local university in my hometown as an administrative assistant. So first thing in the morning, I grab my coffee, and then I immediately jump into Slack to help my team and my customers. Thank you for being there for me, and it was from a customer whose boyfriend passed away a few days before she got in touch with us, and she was being very rude at first, but then I realized that she was under a lot of pressure, and I helped her with all my heart, and in the end she told me, hey, thank you very much for being there for me. I believe it has to do with all the people I've had the chance to know in Elementor over the years. And the best thing about it is that a lot of people knows me, and every time someone sees me, they recognize me immediately, and that's lovely. Always be yourself, act natural, and commit to help the customer, and remember that we are all humans.